So Ben, it's 11:05 on Friday night, December 12th, and where are we getting ready to go?
To Disney World!
Are you excited?
Yeah, to go to Disney World.
When are we going to be leaving in just a few minutes?
No, right now.
Right now?
We have to bring our guests.
Yeah, we have to bring all kinds of stuff, don't we?
I'll bring our money.
What is that money for?
For our video game.
For you and Daddy to play video games with?
Do them have Donkey Kong?
I think they do have Donkey Kong. Are you excited? What do you want to do first when you get there? Do you want to go say hi to Mickey Mouse?
No, they have video games. But do them have video games?
They do. They have lots of video games.
Film.
At Magic Kingdom and Disney World. Tell me again where we're getting ready to go to?
To Disney